Hello, guys. Welcome back with the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku in this additional of not today's, in the weekend edition of Saturday, April the 13th, 2024. It's today, actually Sunday, April the 14th, 2024. In this additional, I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's now time for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8363. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. Question is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and 2. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes? I see here triple box contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, the 2 is already given here, so the 1 and the 3 are left. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. We have a 5 in the same area, so this box should be a 4. Here another triple box. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. Well, we already have a 4 in the same area, so this box should be a 5. Here the same, but here I need more information. I cannot fill those numbers, but the inside box is always 4 or a 5. Okay. Then the following strategy is to look for quadra boxes. I see here a quadra box in an L shape. And when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box of the L shape is always a 5. This box should be a 5. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Here another quadra box. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left with the 2 in this quadra box should be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Okay. Here another quadra box. The 2 and 3 is already given, so those 2 boxes will be the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, okay. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this Z construction. Let me draw this Z construction. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, the Z construction. Only 1 in this puzzle. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Yeah. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for them. So 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes and there. Alright, and now this box can be a 1, so 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this area should be there. 1 and a 3, we have 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. No 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area should be there and is connected with that box. Should be so 1. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left with a 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area are numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadrat box should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, definitely a 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be here. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here or here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 3 in this. Oh, we already have a 3 here. Overlook this 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Overlooked. Alright. So we need a 4 here. Yeah. Unbelievable. This box can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 2. This box can be 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. 1 and 3, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. We have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If you place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for 1 should be there. And a 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadrat box should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 1 and 4. Okay. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 2 there. If I place a 2 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be so 2. But we already have a 2 here. So not the solution place 2 there. The only place level 2 should be here. Alright, this box can be 1, that box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left with a 3 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left with 1 in this triple box should be here, and I've eliminated there the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. So two numbers left, 1 numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. 1 box left in this triple box, 1 number 3. This box can be 1, this box can be 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so a 3. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 5 goes. And there. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 supposed to be here and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left with 4 in this Z construction should be there. Alright. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this Z construction should be here. Then this box can, these two boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5 to the 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Yeah, so 2 numbers left in the Z construction for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Well, let me mark those. 1 and 5 is connected with that box. Should be so 1 and 5, but we cannot be a 1 anymore. We have a 1 here. So it should be a 5 is connected with that box. Should be so 5. 1 box left in the Z construction for number 1. 4 and 5. We have a 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and the last 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, well, pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. So, have a great and fantastic Sunday. Until then, bye-bye for now.